In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Okta Verify app not working. If Okta Verify is not sending prompts, not opening properly, or failing during sign-in, don't worry. There are several simple things you can check before reaching out for support, and in many cases, the issue can be resolved in just a few minutes. First, make sure your device is connected to the internet. Check that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection or that mobile data is turned on and working properly. Okta Verify depends on a reliable connection to receive authentication requests, so if your signal is weak or unstable, the app may not work as expected. Next, restart the Okta Verify app. Close the app completely so it is no longer running in the background, then open it again and try signing in one more time. This is a quick fix that often clears temporary glitches. After that, check your device's date and time settings. If your phone's time is incorrect, authentication can fail. Open your device settings, go to date and time, and make sure the option to set the time automatically is enabled. This helps your device stay synced with the correct time zone and network time. You should also confirm that the Okta Verify app is fully up to date. On Android, open the Google Play Store. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Okta Verify, and install any available updates. Running the latest version can fix bugs and improve compatibility. It's also a good idea to check for system updates on your device. If your phone or tablet is using outdated software, that can sometimes interfere with authentication apps. Install any available operating system updates, then test the app again. Another important check is notifications. Push notifications must be enabled for Okta Verify to send approval requests. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Okta Verify, and open Notifications. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Notifications, then Okta Verify. Make sure notifications are turned on. If push notifications still aren't coming through, try manual verification instead. Open Okta Verify directly, find the verification code shown in the app, and enter that code during login. This can help you sign in even when push approval is delayed or unavailable. If the app still doesn't work, you may need to re-enroll your device. Remove the existing Okta Verify account, contact your organization's IT administrator, request a new enrollment QR code, and set up the app again. You can also reinstall the app completely. Uninstall Okta Verify, restart your device, then download and install it again and re-enroll your account. Before doing this, make sure you still have access to a backup authentication method. If none of these fixes solve the problem, contact your IT administrator. They may need to reset your multi-factor authentication enrollment or troubleshoot an account-specific issue.